Everybody out there to know that there's something called the YouTube Spaces.
The YouTube Spaces.
And we have a number of locations around the world. The main ones in the U.S. are in Los Angeles and New York. And we built them for our creators.
Okay.
So if you are a YouTube creator and you have over 10,000 subscribers,
Okay.
you can use that for free.
Really?
And within that space are production, facilities. There are control rooms. There are, green rooms. There are, VR cameras.
Wow.
There are red cameras.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
and
expensive.
it's all free.
That's incredible.
Yep.
That anyone who can do that, definitely take advantage of it. And it's a testament to the work you put in to even get up to those 10,000 subscribers. And that's a pretty low threshold, by the way. So a lot of folks out there have a lot more followers than I do. So take full advantage. I'm still in the hundreds. But we'll get there. You'll see me in YouTube Space soon enough. So, but maybe by the time this even airs, who knows? But that's a great point. Something else you told me that I wasn't aware of, and this could be relevant for our folks of similar color tone, is, what is it? Black YouTube?
It's YouTube Black.
YouTube Black.
Hashtag YouTube Black.
Hashtag YouTube
Black.
Black.
That's our Black community on YouTube.
That's right.
Yeah.
You want to find folks who look like us or sound like us or understand our struggle, go to YouTube Black.
Whole community, yeah.
Whole community, another plug. And I don't work for YouTube, but I do use the products.